Most important MCQs for preparation of BS and nursing. Question number 1. Which of the following types of insulin can be given intravenously? Choose the correct answer. A. Regular. B. Intermediate acting. C. Long acting. D. None of the above. Correct answer. A. Regular. Question number 2. Tyline enzyme present in. Choose the correct answer. A. Enzyme. B. Gastric juice. C. Pancreatic juice. D. Bile. Correct answer. A. Enzyme. Question number 3. Unpleasant awareness one's own heartbeat is called. Choose the correct answer. A. Palpitation. B. Dyspnea. C. Bradycardia. D. Tachycardia. Correct answer. Palpitation. Question number 4. What is the nurse doing when formulating a nurse diagnosis? Choose the correct answer. A. Planning. B. Analysis. C. Assessing. D. Implementing. Correct answer. B. Analysis. Question number 5. In a prima gravida, the cervical dilation occurs at a maximum rate of. Choose the correct answer. A. 2 centimeters per hour. B. 3 centimeters per hour. C. 4 centimeters per hour. 4. 5 centimeters per hour. Correct answer. B. 3 centimeters per hour. Question number 6. In the right umbilical vein blood pressure. Choose the correct answer. A. 5-8. B. 14-20. C. 8-10. D. 12-14. Correct answer. C. 8-10. Question number 7. HIV confirmation test. Choose the correct answer. A. ELISA. B. Western blot. C. Vidal. D. None of them. Correct answer. B. Western blot. Question number 8. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Choose the correct answer. A. Rubella. B. OPV. C. BCG. D. Hepatitis. Correct answer. A. Rubella. Question number 9. Highest biological value of protein is seen in. Choose the correct answer. A. Soybean. B. Egg. C. Meat. D. Fish. Correct answer. B. Egg. Question number 10. Frozen DPT vaccine should be. Choose the correct answer. A. We can use. B. We have to discard it. C. We have use after normal. D. Immersed in hot water. Correct answer. We have to discard it. Question number 11. Tetracycline is used for prophylaxis of. Choose the correct answer. A. Leptospirosis. B. Cholera. C. Meningitis. D. Brucellosis. Correct answer. B. Cholera. Question number 12. World Tuberculosis Day is celebrated on. Choose the correct answer. A. March 24th. B. April 7th. C. May 12th. B. December 1st. Correct answer. A. March 24th. Question number 13. Glasgow Coma Scale is a measure. Choose the correct answer. A. intracranial pressure. ICPB, memory. C, fluid volume. D, level of consciousness. L.O.C. Correct answer. Level of consciousness L.O.C. Question number 14. How much gap between two twice of live vaccine? Choose the correct answer. A, 4 weeks. B, 8 weeks. C, 1 weeks. D, any time. Correct answer. A, 4 weeks. Don't forget to subscribe.